beautiful people. I trust you are having a beautiful day and time. See, I see a lot of people when they want to apply for visa, they must go through agents. Are you not tired of agents eating your money? Are you not tired? You see, this visa of a thing, you can do it by yourself. Is it family reunion visa? Is it a study visa? Is it a short stay visa? Is it whatever kind of visa, name it? Is it tourist visa? These are visa that you can do it by yourself. But a lot of people, they tend to, they find it more okay to dash agents their money. Let me tell you something. Agent is not a visa official that will guarantee your visa approval. Okay, if you can go to this embassy website, whatever country you are trying to apply to, go to their country, to the consulate website in your country. You are going to find all the required documents that is needed, be it Germany, be it whatever country you are applying to. Not only Germany, you will find out the required documents that they need. Okay, and what do? You try to make available these documents. If you don't have them, you find a way to have them, or you go online, do your research. You are going to see procedures and how to apply for these visas yourself. I see a lot of people packing millions of nairas to dash agents, to give to agents. Why are you doing that? You want to do a visit visa, you are giving a travel agent 6 million naira. Come on, why are you doing that? Is it that you have this so much money that you have to waste? Okay, you can do this thing yourself. Go and make research. That is why you have your phone with you. That is why you have the internet. Go and make research. Go online and find out the documents that this embassies need, because every embassy have their requirements. Find out these things, put your documents together, package it very well, write your letter of intent very well to convince um the visa officer if you are going through VFS, because you might not have the chance to have the one-on-one visa interview if you're using the VFS service. Okay, but if you're going through the embassy, yes, you might use they might interview you face to face. But if you're going through VFS, nobody is going to interview you or anything. They'll just take your document. They will judge, based on the documents that you have submitted to them. If you have all your documents right and correct, trust me, you're going to get the visa. Okay, stop wasting money, stop dashing visa agent no money. Okay, these people, most of the time, the only thing they help you do is this same thing that I just mentioned. You can do it yourself. It's the same thing I just mentioned. That is what they do for you. They just help you arrange your document, and that's all. Don't ever think that they are visa officers that will make your visa to be approved. No, they'll just package your documents, and then, okay, if they are the one that makes this thing work, why is it that you're the one that they are sending to go for the interview or going to do the biometrics? That is one thing you have to know and understand. Learn how to do these things for yourself so that you can save money. I've seen scenario where a lot of people come and they are crying to me that no, agents have scammed them. Some will even collect this money. They will not even apply for anything for you. Stop allowing people to scam you. These are things you can do for yourself. Is it Schengen visa? Is it short stay visa? Is it tourist visa you want to do to Germany, to UK, to any part of the world you want to go? Just go. Package your document very well. The first thing, of course, you need to have is your international passport. And then the next thing you need to have a proof of fund. You need to have enough money in your account. Another thing you need to have again, you need to prepare your cover letter, a convincing cover letter, that if you were the visa officer that is going through this letter of intent, which is a cover letter, you will be convinced. Try by all means, because the thing is that most of them will not be convinced that you're coming back. But if you can convince them that you are coming back, why not? You do that through your what letter of what intent, which is your what cover letter. Then you have your what, I've talked about proof of fund, which is your bank statements. Or if someone is sponsoring you, then you have to make sure that maybe that person is a member of your family. Or in most scenario, you will see cases where they will tell you the person has to carry the same surname as you. But what I advise most of the time is, if this person are ready to sponsor you, why not them put this money in your account? If they can put this money in your account, it will make things a lot easier for you. That proof of fund they want to show, they can help you push it to your account. It will less stress for you, and it will be more easier for you. Okay, another thing again you need to have is what, proof of ties. Have your proof of ties. You have to show to the embassy that you have something you're coming back to. If you are going for a tourist visa, you should be able to show proof of ties. And what are some of these proof of ties that you can show? Some of these proof of ties that you can show is, prove to them that you are married, prove to them that you have a job, prove to them that you have landed properties, prove to them that you have business, prove to them that you have family that you are coming back to. Okay, and of course, if you're just lucky, sometimes I'm telling you, though it's about luck, that some most times it's about luck, because sometimes you package all these documents. That's why I encourage, if you are from a part of country like Nigeria, Africa, where if you are applying visa like short stay visa or whatever kind of visa, you have to fast, you have to pray. Yes, you have to pray, because most of the times you might have all these documents, and at the end of the day they will deny you that visa. Okay, but even if they deny you, doesn't mean you cannot apply again. After some months, reapply again. Okay, you are going to get it. I pray that as many that are, you know, applying for their visas right now, God is going to help you. You will get this visa in the name of Jesus. Be it short stay visa, be it work visa, be it long term visa, God is going to help you. You are going to get it in the name of Jesus. But what I'm going to tell you is that, stop giving agents, stop giving agents money to do these things for you. These are things you can do by yourself. Go to the consulate, website, get out what they want, get out the requirements, because what France need might not be what Germany needs, what UK need might not be what USA need. So you need to know what they want. Like some countries will tell you you have to bring proof of funds, like your bank statement has to be 6 months, while some other ones will tell you 3 months. Okay, do you see now? So they are different. So that's why you need to know all these things and package yourself very well. These are things you can do for yourself. Somebody told me that they gave an agent 6 million naira to run a visa for them. And at the end of the day, there was no visa. There was no visa. So that's why I say, okay, this 6 million naira, even if you tend to say, okay, let me invest this money into business, won't in Nigeria, do you know what that money, it can open a very good business for you. Okay, and you have given it to an agent. You have dashed, who know how long that you have tried to, you know gather this money, and then you just give it, just dash it to a to an agent. An agent is just someone like you. The difference that they do research, they go online, they know what the embassy want. These are things you can do for yourself. I keep saying it. Stop dashing your money to this thing. Take that phone, you have phone, go online, make research first. Gather your document, then know the country that you are going to apply to, because some country are liberal than others. That is the truth. Some countries are generous than others. I want to advise you, you go through countries that are a little bit what generous, okay, because it will help you a whole lot. So that's just what I want to say. So try to do these things by yourself. Make research, go online. You have a phone. That there's a lot of things that the phone that you are holding can do. Stop giving a visa agent your money. Whatever visa you are applying for, you can do it by yourself. Trust me, you can do it, and even perfectly well by yourself. So I pray for as many who are applying for visa this season. You're planning to go for summer, you're planning to go for whatever kind of vacation, or you're trusting God for your resident permit, your work permit, your family reunion visa. God is going to meet you at the point of your need in the name of Jesus. That visa is going to be approved. Most importantly, add it up with prayer, back it up with prayer, and God is going to help you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos, share it to people, because when you share it, when you engage a lot of people, YouTube is going to push it to other people that need to see this kind of video. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and share, like, and comment. Thank you very much.